introduce to you the 5 fundamental positions of arms and feet. We all know that there are 5 basic positions in dance that is commonly termed as first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth positions of the arms and feet. Okay, so let's start with the arms position. Let's proceed to our feet position. Okay, so this time, let's combine the 2 basic positions of the arms and feet.